Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select English in Duolingo app. First of all, just open the Duolingo app in your mobile. The problem people facing on this app is they're like how to select English, or what if they want to learn English, how they can select it. So when it comes to selecting, you can see we have like all of the other options here. If I scroll down, then the option change. So where is English? You cannot find it anywhere. Well, you can select English if you are using Duolingo in any other language. For example, if you are using Duolingo in French, like all of the other things are in French. For example, we have the word continue here and we have the app in English. We can see other languages, but if you switch your language, then you will be able to select English, and you can see all of the other languages have the option of English. You can see in their language whatever they called English, that's what is written here. Let's say I want to select English, so I'm going to select this one, click on continue, and you can see this will change the app's interface into Dutch. It will be like from Dutch to English. That's how we can select it. And again, for example, if you are an Italian person, you can just select the from here, click on continue, and this app will be changed in Italian, because then you will be converting everything from Italian to English. That is how it works. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.